guys, today we have a tutorial on page banner with Tailwind CSS. We will create a beautiful page banner. Okay, let's get started. First, we build a section tag, and within a section tag we have a div also, and another div in it. And in that div we have h1 tag with that text understand user flow. Okay. And after the h1 tag, we have a span tag. That's it. Increase conversation. Okay, we have it right there. Oh, okay. Sorry. The span tag should be inside the h1 tag. Yeah. After the h1 tag, we have a p tag. Lim 25. And after the p tag, we have another div. In that div, we have a tag, href get started, and get started. Okay. Another h1 tag, another a tag, excuse me, about and learn more. Okay. We have all the structure in our HTML. Let's get to style it. And with Tailwind CSS, we have to assign some classes with Tailwind CSS instead of styling in a classic way that you create a CSS file and then assign some attribute and variables to the CSS file that style your HTML. Instead of that, with using Tailwind CSS, we can use some default classes that style our HTML structure. Okay, let's get started. First, for the section tag, we have a class of bg gray 900. Okay, text white and height as a screen. Okay, the bg gray tag, the bg gray class, it is obvious, but I also explain it that it change our background color to gray, dark gray, and the text white class change the color text to white, and hscreen it changed the height of the section tag to the screen size. Okay, let's move on. In the first div we have mx auto at the margin, in the x axis auto, and max width 3xl, and then we have a text center. Okay, good. Then in the second div we have a class that again mx auto margin auto, and max width 3xl, and again text center. Okay, in the h1 tag, let me write that. Yeah, we have a background gradient to R, and the start color from green 300 via blue 500 excuse me, to purple 600. And see, we have a beautiful gradient here, and bg clip text, and then text 3xl, and font extra bold, extra bold, and text transparent. Yep, you have a beautiful of gradient text here. And for the small screen, we have a text 5xl. Okay, let's move on. And for the span tag, we have a class of sm for the small screen block, display block. Okay, good. We move on to the p tag. We assign some classes of mx auto, empty 4, and margin top 4, max width XL. For the small screen, text should be XL, and for the small screen, leading, relaxed. Yep, good. So this is our subtitle, this is title, this is subtitle, and then we move on to the bottoms. For this div, we have some classes as margin top 8, flex wrap, justify center, and gap 4. So, okay, and for the 8 tags that will be our bottoms, we have some classes as a block with full, rounded, border blue 600. Okay, nice. BG background blue 600 also. Padding X12, padding Y 3, text same, small, font medium. Let me see. Yep. Sorry. And text white again. And for the hover, we have a background transparent, and for hover we have a text white, and for the focus we have outline none, and again for the focus we have ring, and for the active text opacity of 75. For the small screen with photo. Okay, nice. And here we have a nice and cool hover styling. Again, for the second button, we have some classes, not the same, but it's mostly the same. Display block with full, rounded, border, and border blue 600, and let me see, oops, and padding of X12, padding of Y3, text small, font medium, text white, hover, background color blue 600, and for the focus outline none, focus ring. For the active we have a background blue 500, and for the smaller screen we have a width of so we have a nice styling in the page banner. You can put your title in it, and it is very nice. We will complete that in later videos, and for now it is almost done. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button also. Thanks, and have a good day.